Okay, what's up? So today I am actually gonna help my dad. I need to help him do something with. I'm not really sure, but he asked me to go to his house. My dad is a dentist, so he owns like various real estate. He owns like 3 houses in Tokyo. It's not that big of a house, but particularly this house is like, it's basically our family's storage. It's really dirty. It's in center of Roppongi, but we don't even use it. It's a great place to live, but we don't even live in it. It's a storage for the whole family to use, and yeah, it's basically it's easier if I show you. So let's just go. Okay, so I'm actually on the bike. It's, I want to say 30 to 40 minutes, maybe, a bike ride to the family storage. So it's really dangerous to ride a bike, and I don't know how Casey Neistat does it, but I'm like literally scared right now. I'm on the bike and I'm scared, so I'm gonna close you guys up, put you guys in my bag, and then we can get there in 30 minutes, maybe, tops. Let's go. Yo, 30 minutes in this heat and those hills. If you guys don't know, Roppongi is in the Minatoku ward here in Japan, and Minatoku is like, basically it's like San Francisco. It's like basically full of hills and all that. Oh my god. I mean, I haven't sweat like this in ages. Look at that. Ugh. Okay, anyway, so wait. Whew. That was nice. Okay, so apparently my dad is not here yet. I do have the key to the house, but I don't know if I should go in or not. It's gonna be so hot. You know what? It's more hotter in here. I'm gonna go up, get into the house, and yeah, I just get ready for him to come. Ugh. Look at this place. Now you guys understand why I say it's like a storage room for the whole family. This is getting worse and worse every single day. Okay, it looks like it's about to rain. Look at that. Look at that thunderstorm. Whew. Oh god. I don't really know what to do from here. I guess we're just gonna wait for my dad to come, and then I don't even know what I'm supposed to help him with. My sweat is in my eye. Okay, I'm pretty much gonna stay here by this doorway, wait for him to come. Woo! It's about to be a storm today! Oh, how do you guys like my new glasses? And my new hair? Huh. I cut it. Okay, so apparently my dad doesn't have an umbrella, so I'm gonna have to go get him with an umbrella. Do I have everything? No, I don't. Alright, so like I said, it's raining, so I am probably not gonna bring this camera because it's not really waterproof. So I'm gonna go out, head out, and go pick up my dad, and then we're gonna clear this place out. Okay, so we have just finished the cleaning of the house, and oh my god, dust everywhere, my nose. Whew, fresh air, fresh air. Oh my god, okay, that's why. Okay, so now we are basically gonna get dinner. I'm gonna wait for my dad, he went somewhere else. So dinner time. I haven't eaten for the whole day, which is bad. Now, I'm getting the goosebumps basically for not eating for the whole day, and it's just really bad. Let's go to dinner. Boom. Okay, so that's it for today. Yo, I just showered, just got a cold shower that just like cold, like really cold, a freezing cold shower. It was perfect. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, comment down below, and if you guys are new to this channel, subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. Sometimes my vlog is educational, sometimes it's just like today, just like straight on, just the whole day of today. What's up? Anyways, I do weekly vlogs. If you guys are new, again, weekly vlogs in Japan. If you guys are interested, yes, subscribe. Okay, that's it. I'm really sleepy. It's already 1. It's already 2. Okay, good night. Bye.